Something must be biting today. There's a lot of boats out there. Something must be biting because there were a lot of boats missing at the dock, like the corner. Never go out. These guys, they never, like, these big boats aren't coming out this late, this often. Like walleye or something?
Yeah. Well, we caught 91 walleyes 2 Wednesdays ago.
You came here, right?
Yeah.
How far did you say you went out?
17.
Wow.
Pat and Ryan, man, two youngest. They're fishing today.
Okay. Here?
Yeah, out of here.
Hold on, Dave. We got some waves coming.
What time is it start?
10 o'clock.
I got 46.
Yep. Moving pretty nice unless their engine's not. Okay. It's all experimental today. Until I go with gyroscope.
Well, I'm thinking now that it's not connected to the camera, but it is moving right now.
Oh yeah.
But it's not connected to the camera, so it can't lock onto a person. Right?
No, it won't lock onto a person, but it's fixed on like the angle. So it has turned to the right somehow.
So it is for sure moving as we rock. It's saying that's gonna be interesting to watch.
Yeah. So like yes.
You can almost angle it this way a little bit.
I did, and then it turned. So I'm not sure what the setting is for it to kind of just stay forward with the boat. So like, I don't know the best way.
Well, it's locked on me right now.
Locked on you.
I know. You have to tell me.
But it should be interesting because like all the other ones look kind of good because
Hello.
with the boat.
Yeah.
This, the boat's going to be moving.
Yeah, it's gonna be weird.
And they said the like stabilization, like GoPro stabilization, what they do is it's a real wide pan. And what they do if it's moving is they just cut the picture so less is moving.
Yep.
So you get a narrower picture. So when you have a stabilizer, it can have a bigger picture because it's stabilizing.
Yep.
I didn't know that. And I could probably still be wrong.
I don't know how. I didn't know that GoPro had their own stable.
Yeah, that's how it stabilizes it. Like that's why it doesn't look like so crazy. Don't pull that. We don't want that tight today. Thank you, Ralph.
Alright, you ready to get this tip up?
Might as well. Do a little sailing. Yeah. Scotty, I think you're trimming on this side. So the blue line. I'm gonna grab this handle, right? Oops, sorry. clockwise. There we go.
So I never really understand the phrase clockwise because it all depends on how you're looking at the clock. Or are y'all looking at the clock the
You're
same
always
way?
standing behind it.
It's all.
But what if like my clock is different than yours? Like,
I don't know what's going on up there.
I'm not following either.
I'm
on
not
that one.
following what's going on up there, but sure.
That'll be quote of the day. I hope that is very clear. GoPro. You could get us so
We'll have
many
Dave
votes.
Armstrong explain it to us.
Yes.
I don't know. People always say clockwise, but like.
It's always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Yeah,
9,
I
10.
get that, but like, so what if I'm looking at the clock this way and I'm going this way?
Okay.
Or
And then
this way.
Exactly.
so
it's the same way.
it's always
right?
the same. It's always the circle. So yes, yes.
It's always the same.
It's always the same, no
I had to
matter
think
what.
for
It just doesn't seem the same.
I had
in
to
my
think
mind.
for a second.
You gave her a shot.
I
That's
did, because
okay.
I went, I'm like,
So like Nick,
Get off.
So if I'm going around this winch and I'm standing behind it, I'm still going clockwise. Oh, sorry, Dave.
and then if it's coming this way, you're still going clockwise.
I don't know. I just think of it different. Never figured it out.
It's fine.
Good. You're in charge of the winch, all of the winches. You're in charge of all of the winches, by the way. Like,
I think I have like a brain tumor because whenever I pull down Walnut Boulevard, I can never like. I know what side of the road to drive on, but like I feel
Okay,
like
so
I'm
you're not
on
getting
the
the
hold
wrong
off
side
on the
of road.
Wrangler so I
Not
can buy the
getting the
building.
Yeah, I'd get her one of those old Jeeps.
I was just gonna say, so I maybe we'll get that building.
No, I'm serious. Like I've had that issue for a long time.
I just gotta think of what that stupid building company is. It's my favorite because it every day. It's on Instagram.
Yep.
Send it to me. They sell them at Menards, Home Depot, Lowe's.
They're listening to what you want.
Because you can make like the little ones for like picnic carport all the way up to an industrial building.
Yep.
Custom.
This is going to be painful.
Heck, with global warming though, you might not even need a building.
I know.
Dave, don't pull that.
See, right when I think I pay off that building, I'll have to put a new roof on it. I'll just be paying on the building the whole time. Like,
So what are you paying a year now to
I
store
think it's
the building?
$1,100.
For the winter?
Yeah.
Look, there was a tornado.
So it's 20 years,
Hey, did you see
$20,000
what?
for
Did
the
you hear
same
what I
building.
just said?
Yeah, without a cement floor.
Or
But this, you don't touch it.
You got 6 minutes.
I can't do anything to it.
You can't work on it there?
No. I could paint the bottom in the spring and the fall. Like, that's it. You can't go in the building and work because everybody else has their stuff in there.
Yeah.
So if I sand or if I paint, now I got to cover everybody else's boat who just wants their boat inside.
Once you get around this market.
I could probably do odd jobs, like if I want to tune the engine or
Yeah.
interior work.
Yeah.
But as far as like if I was going to repaint the deck, I could do it with the roller.
Yeah.
And I guess you can roll and tip the sides, but you gotta be good.
oh, right here.
This is our approach.
How did we get so close this time?
That's
Why? Does it have an anchor?
It does. It has a big anchor.
Oh, it looks like what's this part is on the side?
That's so things can hook onto it. So they're either going to hook onto it to take it in and out of the water. You can hook onto it to use it to
How many miles is this, you know? 52?
two there, two back probably.
Is it half an hour to get there?
As far as the time limit,
Yeah.
I don't know. I bet you an hour.
Yeah, 4.5 minutes.
So, yeah, you're fine. corner.
We're getting a little bit of
Yeah, if we get a little bit of flow, we might be okay.
Hey, Nikki, can you give me a little bit of alcohol? Yeah,
There we go.
Oh, that
That'll
looks
do.
like an alligator.
that's very flat. There it is.
Where's an alligator? Dude?
56.
Can you take that off the
The cloud.
runner?
Right in front of
You
us.
want it?
I mean, we want to be here.
This is all. This is it.
You
956.
feel like we're turning?
I
Think we're it?
don't think we're. No, I would just stay right on this line, don't you think, Dave?
Yeah.
Well, I'm thinking we have time. But
2.5 minutes.
dump a little bit.
Yeah. We'll have what? 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Yeah, we'll be there in that time.
Oh, I think we're right. We're ahead of it.
It looks like a wind line right where Steve is. Alright, you go sit and with Mom. That way, if we have to do anything, we don't have to move at that point. Thanks, Vicky.
We just get out of the way.
No, that gets in the way.
Out of the way.
You want it all the way in?
Feels like a little.
Yeah, there's
2:30.
I don't know if we have time to spend. I'm like, I'm main block.
Not moving.
I think we just stay right here.
We have no option.
We're committed. I just thought we'd be going.
Uh-huh.
Which we're not trying to.
Right.
Make it. I'll make it.
The other side.
1 minute.
Dad.
We're gonna have to tag.
Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
You're always on the other side.
Want me to lean to that way?
Pull that
Yeah, let
front
that
sail.
jib off.
Give out.
Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad.
Uh-huh.
What? You're always on the other
You
side.
got 30 seconds.
You're always on the other side, Dad.
Oh, perfect.
You hear me?
I'm busy, Dave.
20 seconds.
Then drop it.
15.
And we have flow back.
Go ahead and pull it. Go ahead and pull the jib.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 o'clock.
Are you ready for that jib in over
Oh, just trim in there. That will catch.
Dad.
Looks like there's some breeze
Hey,
coming.
Dad. That looks like rowboat.
Uh-huh. That's that northwest.
Here,
Trim
Craig,
in.
pull that red line.
Okay. I think we need to move the jib. You want to put a little run around?
Put a little run in.
Sarah,
then it's going back north.
Yeah.
Just a little bit of running out of time.
You beat us to the wall.
This is crazy. If I could get a little bit of speed, we're gonna attack. Alright, might as well attack, right?
I mean, we're gonna have to get over the line.
Alright, there we go. Okay.
Will you set that line for me, Craig? Let's go with right around 12 right now.
Go ahead and put a wind channel right in there.